Yes, I said it. I said Luyolo is gonna win. And he's won. It's Luyolo, baby. Luyolo! Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nkanelo Gingirikani with me, Mandla Gingirikani. Yes, I said Luyolo is gonna win and he's won. Yo guys, what a show. He deserves it. Congratulations, Luyolo. Apparently he's from King Williamstown. He was born in Buffalo River. Yeah, he's 24 years old, so he's still young, you know. Apparently he's working. He's actually an IT specialist or an IT software programmer or developer. He studied at Walter Sisulu University. So yeah, big ups to him. And well done to Snazzy. She worked very hard. She just couldn't get enough votes to win Idols. Yeah, well done guys. But what a show, guys. Can we talk about the show? Yo, okay, let's start. Where do we start? So easy. Guys, was that necessary? Hey, such drama ekana. Hi, andina bongo. Andina bongo. Yo, betunani. For a grand entrance like that, you have to give it to him. It has to be so easy. So yeah, wow. But so unnecessary. I remember even Pro was even saying, yeah, it's so easy. I think he said it like 5 times. So Mizi was still entering. He was like this. Yeah, but well done, guys. And my highlight for the show. Who was my highlight? I think, wow, okay, Shoma Josie. Wow, what a performance, guys. Electrifying performance from Shoma Josie. It looks like since she's gone to New York, she came back, you know, it's like she's so galvanized, rejuvenated. She's on fire. Guys, Shoma Josie is on fire. And actually, if it was up to me, I would say that let's give this year to Shoma Josie. Yo, guys, the lady is working very hard. Yo, guys, just well done, Shoma Josie. I actually like the fact that she actually was performing live. When I say live, I mean like her mic was on. I know that some people come there and they mime, but she was live. She was actually singing. She was rapping every line, every word to the mic. I felt connected to that, and the dancers, everything, lights. Yo, guys, what a show. And then Vusinova came, guys. I felt like that Vusinova moment was a moment for the country, because everyone was singing along. It was just like, yo, South Africa, we're such a good country, guys. I'm really proud to be South African. And big ups to Vusinova for that rendition. It's such a good performance, guys. And I like his vibrato. No one can sing like Vusinova. So yeah, guys, yo, Vusinova, well done. And what else? I don't know. DJ Maphorisa, you know, good performance, something Soweto, you know, although there were some notes there, here and there in the beginning, but yeah, big ups. I just want to say that it looks like Amapiano are going nowhere. It looks like Amapiano is going nowhere. Very stubborn genre. I thought by this time around Amapiano would be gone and would be done and dusted, but yo, Amapiano is very stubborn. So big ups to something Soweto and DJ Maphorisa. Yeah, what a performance from DJ Zintle and Retabile and Muzzle. You know, I like Retabile's presence, guys. She's got that presence and she's commanding, she's confident, she sings well, she dances, you know. I really connected with that performance as well. What a show. Usnezi also looked very happy for Luyolo. She wasn't sulking, you know. I know some other people, when they don't win, they cry, and it's such like, oh my gosh, you know, the focus shifts from the winner to them. She's a good sport. Usnezi is a good sport. She didn't cry. She didn't, even though I know it may hurt, you know, it may hurt. Probably she was prepared for it. We know what happened with Snazzy and the accusations and all that, and you know she's from KZN, and most of the time KZN region is the biggest voter of Idols, and this time around, this year, it looked like the KZN was divided because of what happened with the twins, you know. So most people that would have voted for Snazzy didn't vote for her because of the debacle, the twins. And I feel pity for that, because Snazzy has talent. I mean, she can sing and she can perform. She has a very big voice, you know. She has persona, you know. It's just unfortunate that because of whatever, because now I personally feel like people didn't vote for her, or majority of KZN region didn't vote for her because of the fact that there was that debacle with the twins, which is quite very unfortunate. But as you know, guys, most idols winners don't go far and make it in music. I just hope this year's idols winner Luyolo will go out there and actually represent yeah, especially the Eastern Cape, because apparently it's the first time an Eastern Cape performer or contestant goes to the top 2, which is the finale. So big ups to the Eastern Cape. I'm not gonna make the Xhosa joke that it looks like Xhosas are tired of representing us everywhere. And I wanted to say something to the judges. Yo guys, they had it tough this season. I even remember Urandel said this was the tightest competition he's ever been part of since he's been involved with idols. I'm not sure about that. I really would like to take that on, because I felt like after the whole Snazzy and the twins debacle, I knew that there was no way Snazzy was gonna win because of that. Not because he can't sing, but because of the fact that now KZN is divided. So as much as most of us voted for her, I knew that she was not gonna win. And also the fact that she's a woman, people vote according to gender these days. And it's not only these days. I mean, come on, it's been all over the show. It's been like that all the time. So, yo, well done to Luyolo. Guy, the guy is so humble. He said he's going to dedicate this award to his family and the people that supported him. And yes, indeed, people really did go out there and support Luyolo. I remember even the MEC of Arts and Culture of the municipality there in Buffalo City. Is it Buffalo City? Ne? Yes, Miss Fezeka. She went out there canvassing, making sure that people vote for Luyolo, sending flyers and pamphlets, you know. There was just such a good build up to Luyolo's winning. People were really there to support him, and so I'm not really very surprised that he's won. I would be very shocked had he not won. So I would be very shocked, because I predicted it and I said it's gonna win, and then he won. So I think you guys who were actually against me, you owe me something. You know, me and you guys, we need to go out there for a walk. You know. But yo, big ups to Luyolo, guys. His parents are also very proud of him. The Eastern Cape is very proud of him. Walter Sisulu University is proud of him. I feel like also his employees are very proud of him. And I'm not sure if he's gonna go out there and represent musically though, because you know now he's won millions. You know, the good thing about idols is that you win millions. You know, you're actually a millionaire. Luyolo is a millionaire, guys. Can you beef up security there in King Williamstown? Can you beef up security there in King Williamson, guys? Because he's a millionaire, and I just hope he's gonna get good producers who are going to produce his music in a way that speaks to his heart. Because I remember he did speak about some song choices, some songs that he had to sing because it's a competition, songs that were not really his kind of style, you know. He was not very comfortable to those kind of songs, and I just hope that he's gonna get someone who's gonna help him out there with making music that speaks to his heart, because once music speaks to his heart, then it can also speak to us as well. So yeah, so what a show. Well done to idols. What a show. I enjoyed this season, even though I had my concerns here and there, but it was a good show. It was a very good show. Yeah, it had its own ups and downs, drama, you know. we can forget the twins debacle, you know, we're pulling out from the show. What else? And who can forget the fact that Mangaliso, people were very hurt when Mangaliso was eliminated from the competition, and then later when one of the twins pulled out, they felt like she actually took her place. So this year's season, guys, this season was full of drama, full of ups and downs. As much as now we are so happy for Luyolo. Well done, Luyolo. Congratulations to Luyolo. Well done, and go out there and represent music. Okay, guys, for me, Mandla Gingirikani Reviews, thank you very much for sticking up with me up to this far. Yes. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click the red button, click the subscribe button, and make sure that you're part of the team, because whenever we do our videos, you will be the first to receive it. You'll be the first person to receive it. You know, Salute. Dinganiwe.